Hello guys, I'm back with another unboxing. This is part 4 unboxing of the Diamond Art Club 4 box. This one is actually a new release. Well, it's a couple weeks old now, but it was a new release. This is the first edition of it. They just came out with the second edition of this painting. I guess there was some hiccups on it, but I really wanted the first edition. The Ice Princess, round with ABs, 55 by 96. I really don't know what the issue was, but I know there was an issue. So when they came out with the second edition, they cut it off right here and made that just edition. They cut off the leopard, half of her dress. I know it's going to be confetti heavy down here. I know it's going to be, and that's, yeah. Alrighty, let's get this open, let you guys see it. Okay, guys, we're back. Sorry about me, this choppy video. I won't be able to, like we normally do. This is the Pumpkin Spice Toolkit. It is a round kit, so you get, what's in here. If you don't know, it is, just watch more videos. Find out. Here's the diamonds. I'm not gonna open them, but I do see one AB right here. I think that's it of the ABs. I'm not for sure. So, and here's the kit. Like I said, they went back to the clear covering from the opaque. It says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. Alrighty guys, this is Ice Princess. And like I did say, there is some confetti down here. We knew that was going to happen. There's some lower in the dress. I think I know what they mean by it was charted a little bit bad. I think it was the detail stuff. I don't know why, but it does look amazing. So yeah, it is 33 colors. 138. There's actually 3 ABs. It's a blue, a green, and a white. So I see some of the white. I see some of the blue right here. And then the green is probably going to be up in the trees. Yeah, they're up in the trees. And probably her eye might have some, green in it. So that is what is this one. Yeah, when I saw the redone, they cut half of this off. They cut off the jaguar, half of her dress, so it starts right there. I think it's smaller. I'm not for sure. I probably will get that one too. I'm not 100% for sure, but I knew I liked the white leopard. And it did come with a sticker too. The sticker. It says AB. Yeah. Came with a sticker. Yeah, this was before they started putting the sticker in the thing. Well, but yeah, it's 33 colors. So that's what it looks like. And you guys know, be kind, be courteous, and have a great day.